Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today we are going to draw something really fun. A big, strong dump truck. Are you ready? Grab your black marker and let's start drawing together. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw 3 big wheels at the bottom of our page. One in the front and 2 at the back. Great job! Now connect the wheels with a long line across the top. That's the base of the truck. Next, let's draw the head of the truck in the front. Make it tall and boxy so the driver can sit inside. Now let's add a big window so the driver can see outside. Awesome! At the back of the truck, draw a big rectangle container. This is where the dump truck carries all the things. Let's draw a small lever and a back door at the end so the truck can dump things out. On top of the truck's head, let's add a signal light. Beep beep. Now let's decorate. Draw some lines on the door, and in the middle of the container, let's draw a big recycle icon. Super cool! Nice job, everyone! Our dump truck drawing is complete.
La da 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 dee.
Yay! Now let's make the outline bold and sharp so our dump truck really pops off the page. Awesome, isn't it? Yay! Now it's time to color. Ready? Let's go! Purple color. Wow! Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Light blue color. Whoa! Look at that! Our dump truck looks amazing with all the colors. Great job, friends! You did awesome today. Don't forget to practice more drawings, and we'll see you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Yay! Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.